Okay, we're back. Look at mine.
That's all you're having? Oh god, I'm scared. You have to try both of these.
What's that?
It's chocolate milk water.
Okay, I'm gonna go for mine. I'm scared. Take the chocolate milk.
That smells like... Seeds over here.
Oh. Do we have to finish through all those? No, let's just take sips. So now you have to taste my butter chocolate.
No.
Oh my gosh, that was horrible. Gosh. I think that's the end of this episode.
That tastes like coffee.
Let's point this out. Okay. Okay, I'll see you next episode. Bye.